Good morning, students. In the previous section, we have studied what is respiration, what are the type of respiration. We have also seen the structure of lungs and respiratory passage. Now, we will be studying about the mechanism of respiration, that how does it occur. Respiration occurs in two important steps, that is inspiration and expiration. Inspiration means taking in of atmospheric oxygen we are taking in our body, that is taking in of atmospheric oxygen. In expiration, we are expelling out of carbon dioxide from lungs. Inspiration is also known as inhalation, whereas expiration is also known as exhalation. Inspiration is an active phase, whereas expelling of carbon dioxide is inactive phase. Now the mechanism of inspiration starts with the contraction of diaphragm and intercostal muscles. These two things, when become contracted in size, the diaphragm fall down in the abdominal cavity and becomes flat, which increases the volume of thoracic cavity. Once again I am repeating, when the contraction of diaphragm and intercostal muscles occur, the diaphragm becomes flat, which increases the volume of thoracic cavity. One more thing occurs, that external intercostal muscles also contract. When these muscles contract, then the ribs which are attached to thoracic cavity moves upside down. When these muscles moves upside down, it also helps in increasing the volume of thoracic cavity. So these two important events occur during inspiration. When the volume of thoracic cavity increase, it results in an important change in air pressure, that as compared to atmospheric pressure, the pressure of the lungs and the thoracic cavity is reduced. Because of the difference in this air pressure, the air rushes into the lungs, that is alveoli, until and unless both the pressure becomes equal. So inhalation means moving in of air from the atmosphere to the alveoli due to change in difference of air pressure between the atmospheric pressure and the pressure of alveoli. In case of expiration, the condition gets just reversed. In expiration, instead of contraction, external intercostal muscles get relaxed. When diaphragm also get relaxed, then it results in the upward movement of diaphragm, because of which the volume of thoracic cavity is reduced. Now, due to decrease in size of thoracic cavity, the pressure get increased, and this pressure becomes more than the atmospheric pressure. Because of this, the lungs get compressed, and when the lungs get compressed, the air from the alveoli is expelled out by the respiratory passage. This is expiration. So in inspiration, the air is rushing in the alveoli, whereas in expiration, the air is expelled out of alveoli. Inspiration needs active process, whereas expiration is inactive process. The respiration rate at resting condition is 6 to 20 per minute.